Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate your LaunchCart e-commerce store with Launch CRM. So I'm in a brand new Launch CRM for Rescue Joe, and I'm on the Contacts tab, and you can see that there are no contacts here whatsoever. And I'm going to go over here to the other tab, and in my other tab I am, here at my Rescue Joe, which is a new store I have, but I do have a number of customer data in here that I did a free plus shipping offer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here to App Store, and you're going to see the LaunchCart CRM is enabled. It says disabled. I'm enabled. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to enable it, and it's going to take me to a page. Now, because I'm an admin on our system, it's going to bring up all the accounts, but you should just see your store here when you're logged in. So I'm going to type in Rescue Joe, and I'm going to choose Rescue Joe. And it is now enabled and it is now connected. Okay, it's that simple. Now what's going to happen is it's going to start feeding and syncing all of the customer data in here. So if I hit refresh, we should start to see the customer data populating, and I'm not sure exactly how long it takes, but there you go. Okay, now there's a couple things that I want to show you over here on the right hand side. It gave the tag Rescue Joe, and it gave the tag newsletter subscribed. So there is a checkbox with Rescue Joe that if they don't check that box, newsletter subscribed, they won't get that. So, but it also shows me this Rescue Joe shows me that they came from the store Rescue Joe. Now, the other thing that we want to look at from that perspective is going back here, if I go to products, and I'm just going to edit any product, and this store is so old, I haven't really tagged it properly, but we're going to want to put your tags here. And I love my golden sports bottle. So let's say it's a water bottle. So if I were to come down here and I type in tag water bottle, if somebody buys this water bottle, that tag will also be pushed through to here so you can set up your automations. So you must make sure that as you're building your product type, you're going to give it its product type, the vendor, and make sure you give it tags. And if you want to give more than one tag, you can, but keep in mind you don't need to go crazy on the tags because they're specifically used for you creating your smart lists over here. So if I go here and I hit more filters and I go by tag and I go is, and we'll do newsletter subscribed, and I can hit apply. Oops, get that little box out of the way. Apply. And now I can name this my newsletter smart list. Subscribed. I can save it. Now you can see that I have 69 people that are subscribed to that newsletter. I can email those people. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little easy, simple tutorial on how to hook up your high level by going to the App Store and enabling CRM. And if you're a high level customer, you can enable with this over here. And again, it shows them both enabled because LaunchCart CRM is built on the high level code base with our license agreement. So once I enable this, it shows this enabled. It's the same thing, same integration. If you have any questions, please email support@launchcart.com. Thanks. Have a great day.